How good is your English? If you score 20 out of 35 or higher, your English is super good. Let's get started. He suggested. Home early. Answer C, going. Joyce is married. A teacher. Answer C, to. I look forward to. You. Answer B, seeing. Jane is good. Mathematics. Answer A, at. Alice has been living here 2 years. Answer B, 4. I didn't. The answer. Answer A, no. She has friends than me. Answer C, fewer. Jake depends. His parents. Answer B, on. The news. Shocking. Answer D, is. She explained the problem. Me. Answer A, to. I. With you. Answer B, agree. She asked me where. Going. Answer B, I was. Janet is afraid. Spiders. Answer D, of. I enjoy novels. Answer C, reading. He has been married. 1998. Answer D, since. The director gave me advice. Answer A, some. There are 2 people here. Answer C, many. He. His book to me. Answer D, lent. I am responsible. This project. Answer B, 4. The man is used to. Up early. Answer A, waking. He got married. Her last year. Answer B, 2. I. Tokyo last year. Answer D, visited. They prefer Pepsi. Beer. Answer C, 2. Joseph is capable. Doing it. Answer A, of. I am looking forward. Your reply. Answer C, 2. My mother told me. Worry. Answer B, not to. Brian. His homework yesterday. Answer C, did. The teacher divided the class. Groups. Answer A, into. The student is interested. Art. Answer D, in. The woman insisted. Paying the bill. Answer A, on. I am not familiar. This place. Answer C, with. The girl succeeded. Passing the exam. Answer B, in. The officer accused her. Lying. Answer D, of. I didn't. Enough time. Answer A, have. He is senior. Me. Answer C, 2. How many did you answer correctly out of the 35 questions? Leave your answer in the comments. Don't miss our weekly uploads. Subscribe to stay updated.